Your quote form is the first thing buyers touch. Build it your way. Every field, every rule, no code. This is the form builder, end to end. Open quote form. Your form title, the field list, and a live preview of the exact drawer buyers will see, with tabs for products, review, branding, and translations. Built-in fields, name, email, company, phone, the full shipping block, can't be deleted. Instead, every field carries a status. Required blocks submit until it's filled. Optional renders without validation. Hidden keeps the field on standby without removing it. Need more? Add your own. Short and long text, numbers, dates, with or without time, dropdowns, radio choices, checkboxes, file uploads, and section headings to organize long forms. Choice fields get an options editor. Add as many choices as the deal needs. Every field opens in an editor. Add help text buyers see under the input. Then come the two power features. First, conditional logic. Show a field only when conditions are met. With no conditions, it always shows. Here, company name appears only once name is filled. Operators cover it all. Is filled, is empty, equals, does not equal, contains, and number fields add greater and less than. Stack as many conditions as you like. Second, validation per field. Minimum and maximum length, even a regex pattern. 2 letters for digits. Enforced before the form ever submits. Numbers get min, max, and step. One more tab, branding and style. Choose the form flow, a step-by-step wizard, or one scrolling page. Match your brand color, buttons, and corners, and keep the floating quote launcher on. And the preview updates as you build. The drawer opens from the right, 520 pixels wide, with a success message after submit. Hidden fields stay out of sight. That's the form builder. Ask exactly what you need and nothing you don't. QuotWay, built for Shopify.